What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. You already see by the title is Black History Month, honey, and we are going to be doing a makeup look. I mean, it's February. We got to be inspired by our culture. You dig me? So that's what we gonna do. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just inspired. You know, like, say it loud. What? I'm breaking up loud. Okay. You know that, like, that's the type of vibe we on. It's like, no, for real. But yes, I really want to do an inspired makeup Black History Month look. So starting off, baby, you already know we gonna start off with this Plouise, and I'm gonna just lay this real good on the lids, boo. You know what you been up to, what you been doing, how you been feeling. Okay, you know it's Black History Month, you know what I'm saying? We have to feel inspired, we have to feel good. I just love being who I am, and I thank God that I am black, you know what I'm saying? The blacker the better, the sweeter the juice. You better ask somebody. It's like, no, I'm playing. Let me tell y'all something. I'm in a good mood today, you feel what I'm saying? Like, I had like 2 cups of coffees and I drank my water, I said my prayers. It's a good start. So y'all gonna get all this goodness and all this vibe that's coming through. Period. So real quick, we're gonna be starting off with the eyes. And for eyes, we're gonna be jumping into the Tati palette. We're gonna be jumping into different palettes, but y'all already know they're gonna be what? You already know. Stacey Marie. You dig me? So we're gonna be jumping into Stacey Marie palettes. I got the other one too. So going on first, we're gonna be jumping into Adult Color. And what better color for Black History Month than to jump into Black Beach. And we're going to be stamping Black Beach on the outer corner. You know, some people be scared to go in with black. You know how that go. Like, you know, it's like, I don't really know about jumping into black, but as long as you pat it on first, you don't need no transition shade before black. You could just jump right on in black. You know, just dive, just dive right on in. So I want you to like slant that. You see the slant? Blend your edges. That's the only thing with black. You do have to be nice to her, because if you don't treat black right, she gets messy. You don't want her to get messy. You know what I'm saying? Next, we're going to be stamping this in the inner corner. I just want to do like a halo kind of eye. I kind of want to do that kind of like look. It's very important to shape your eye. Use your dark color as your guide. Try to like even it, make it look the same. Even though sometimes it never does, but it's always good to make it look the same. So now since we have that down, I'm going to jump into this coca. I just want to blend that black in and just get my edges real good. And this is actually the M562. This is a good brush. Brushes matter. Drag that brown out. And then we're gonna jump back into that Black Beach and we're gonna touch it. It's like flickies, give it a light flick. You know, one thing about blending, you don't have to literally like be all hard. Like, you can just lightly, it's all about your hand and how lightly you stroke it back, you know. Flick, look at the flick at the wrist. Ooh, look at the flick at the wrist. Ooh, look at the flick. So now, since we have that down or whatever, I wanna do like a sparkle in the middle of this eye. So we're gonna jump into this Prime and Define by Plouise called Extra AF, my kind of thing. You dig me? So we're going to be jumping into Extra AF. This is like a gold, you know, Plouise pigment, and Plouise is just, yeah, I love her. You know, I love her. I love all of it. You know, it's the best. You know what I mean? you just can't help when it's the best. You dig me? And we're just going to tap that in between, blending that. Ooh, y'all, today is gonna be a good day. Look at that. Where you gonna get this from? If you can't go to Bella Noche's, where can you go? You know what, Plouise? You know what? I wanna fight. I wanna fight her. Like, she ain't have to do that to my eye. She ain't have to have my eye all glistening over your body. It's like, no, I'm crazy as hell, y'all. Don't pay me no mind. Let me do the other side. I play too much. Ooh, okay. All right, so now I'm just gonna take and like kind of like blend that black. Ooh, bring them out, bring them out. Hey! All right, so now I'm gonna pop my lashes on real quick. Let me put some mascara on though. This is really decent. I'm just so proud of the growth, you know? Like, it's just unbelievable. Okay. So for face, real quick, I just want to moisturize with the e.l.f. hydration. My day ones, y'all already know how we do with the e.l.f. hydration. We moisturize. Real quick, we're going to jump into the Plouise, the Rumor 5 and the Rumor 6. I use both of these and I mix them and then I put it under my under eye. Number one, the Plouise, y'all already know, is bomb for a primer. You dig me? I use this. Look, I scratched my nose. You see how I scratched my nose? Crazy. I think I scratched it in my sleep. I don't know what I did. Like, I was fighting myself. Scratching myself in my sleep. Anywho. So, yeah. So, I think that it makes my shadow blend good. I do still do other concealer, but Plouise be definitely hitting. I'm gonna put some LA Girl gel eyeliner under my eye and just dust this real light under my eye like that. I don't want it to go so far, but just to close that outer V together. You know, it's always good to close it. You dig me? This is how we do it. It's like, no, but now really quick, we're going to be jumping into the Huda Beauty. This is the Peanut Butter Cup foundation stick, and I'm just going to lay this all over. I like this because this also gives you like a nice feeling, smooth feeling on your skin. So we're going to just take that and stamp that all over the face, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. And I like it because it blends so fast. You know how you be trying, you be in a rush or whatever. Let me put some on my nose because you know you can tell when you don't have foundation on your nose. Put it on there. Thank you very much. Well, I be looking at people like, well, why you don't have foundation on your nose, sis? Where is it? So now, since we have that down, we're going to jump into the e.l.f. Cameo concealer in the satin finish, and this is in the color Deep Cinnamon. And I always just put this over top, you know, to give that base. Sorry, I got a little quiet. You better still be there. You better not jumped off my video because I got quiet neither. My kids came in. And then I just want to do a little light highlight. This is actually also the e.l.f. Cameo Concealer. And this is in the color Tan Sand. You know, get a little tan. Little tan sand. Yeah. And we're going to take it and blend it out real good just like that. When you in a rush, sometimes you don't have time for brushes. Y'all know I'm a brush girl. But lately, boo, I've been doing a beauty blender so much faster. Like, so much faster. Oh, yeah. We take powder very serious over here because we are some creasers, you know what I'm saying? We always creasing or whatever like that, and I don't be having time for creasing. Every time I turn around, there's always a crease somewhere. If I don't do it very real fast, I'll be creasing, and that's just not fair. You know what I mean? So I got to do it, and you hurry up too. I don't know about you, but me, child, I better hurry up. And I don't bake. I said, I don't know, but baking for me gives me cake vibes, so we don't do baking over here. All right, next we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. This is the chocolate 06. This is the cream. You're going to be sucking this in. Yeah, it's like, no, but yeah, we're going to be doing this, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I just love this, you know what I'm saying? Like, even though I said it in my other video, but yes, my boo is pregnant. I'm so excited. You know we is excited. You know we love Riri over here. G4L, for real. What she say? Tell your friends to pull up, period. We're going to jump real quick into the Stacey Marie Antidote palette, and we're going to be jumping into this right here, Chestnut. As you can see, Chestnut is my fave, and I like Chestnut because I contour my nose with Chestnut. I love Chestnut. I'm going to jump into some powder, just a little bit of powder, and this is the Beauty Bakery. This is the bronzer. Touch on it a little bit. One thing about this Beauty Bakery bronzer, you do not need a lot. You a bronze, baby, you know. I don't know, but I want to take this orange, this Plouise OTT orange. I just want to put this on my cheeks, like, ooh. Let me blend that, but don't that look good? Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh, that did showed off. We're gonna jump into the MAC Tiana Teller. This is in the House of Petunia. Hold up, wait, let me set my face and stop playing. Where is it? Come on, we gonna set it with the Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist by e.l.f. You know. Let's jump into lip, and I'm gonna use this Rich Ebony concealer. I've been using this for a liner lately. I want to go on my new lippy that I just been loving so much. The Plouise So You Can Whip lip. Like, this is like a little pea size. I just love the way this lip do. You know what I'm saying? And boom, this is the final look. I'm really feeling this look. You feel me? I'm really feeling this Black History Month look. It's definitely giving the Black History Month vibe. Did I just say that real fast? Yes, I did. But boo, I'm really feeling this look. I hope you are feeling this look too. And if you are, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't even know what you're waiting for, baby. Come on and subscribe, okay? Hit the notification bell button too, boo, because you don't want to miss my videos. So with that being said, happy Black History Month. I love you, boos. Thank you so much for watching me grow. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to keep God first, because you know how we do. We don't play about the Lord, okay? And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.